Hi, Bill the Artist here, and I'm just doing a quick update so you know what is going on with everything that is happening with the coronavirus and COVID-19. Now, I had started this picture of Peter Hickman at the 2019 Ulster Grand Prix, but this is now going on hold. Now, all the racing, everything, all the road racing, the Northwest, the TT, the Southern 100, every national road race, the whole lot has been cancelled pretty much for this year. MotoGP's cancelled, BSB is postponed, World Superbike is postponed until things settle down. So, the knock-on effect of everything from the virus has caused lots and lots of people to effectively have to stay at home. Now, I put this jokingly strange image of an artist and an artist in quarantine. This has been my life. You know, I have been isolated for a long time because all I've done is done my work and then gone and looked after elderly parents, which we're still doing now, and elderly relatives with all of their ailments. And anyone who's in that position with what's going on right now, my heart goes out to you because it is very, very difficult, especially with everyone in isolation now. But I know people who have pre-orders for this picture, which was going to be hopefully finished by the end of this month, but they now have no work, and everything's changing over with the government coming in with the rescue plan, not just even in the UK, but this is around the world. There is a massive problem. So what I am doing instead is I am just putting this on hold for a while until things stabilise and people get their employment back and the work starts again. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be doing my how to draw videos. Now, I have already done how to draw a toilet roll because these things disappeared off the shelves. Now, I've been shopping this morning and I actually saw some of these on the shelves. It was very, very strange to see them after 2 weeks of them not being there. And other things, tin tomatoes and all kinds of stuff, pasta, rice, shock horror, it was on the shelf, including paracetamol. But I have lots of previous how to draw videos. I'll put a screenshot up of loads and there are links. At the moment I have over 110 how to draw videos from basics right the way through, and I'm going to be doing lots and lots. I'm going to be doing some basic ones like Olaf and Danger Mouse and all different kinds of things, but more into the future, doing lots with the pencils. I've got a couple that are ready and will be coming out soon. But for you Harry Potter people, I say there is Dobby, there is Harry, there is Hermione, and there's loads others on there. There's Ron and various others. I am going to be doing the people that you have asked for. So Draco, Snape, the old Professor Dumbledore, Hagrid, and many others. And lots of other subjects as well. So there will be lots of tutorials. I'm going to be doing as much as I can. The reason I've not been able to do anything for the last kind of 10 days is sorting everything out with our family again in this very strange situation for everybody. Anyway, I do hope that you are all really well. Take care of one another, look after one another, and just be thankful for each and every day. I really appreciate all of you lot out there. I'm going to be doing lots of how to draw videos, and in a month or 2 months time we'll see how things go on. I will be getting back on with doing the oil painting. But there is lots coming. Share them with your friends. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell to know when the new stuff is coming out. And there is going to be some rather interesting videos covering a breadth of topics. One little tease is I have done a zombie drawing with a zombie pencil. That will be out very soon. I hope you enjoyed. Check out the links in the cards and in the description for all of my playlists. Enjoy your drawing, but thank you so much for everyone and your patience in the how to draw video department, and there will be lots soon. Take care, enjoy your drawing, ta-da.